wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind.
My name is Ernest Bon Abriel Biharjo, and I'm the current lead drum major of ESNCHS Marching Band for season 2024-2025. I would describe the ESNCHS band as my home. The marching band is not just purely for marching, not just dancing. There's something more beneath it. The marching band is the family that we've always wanted.
SSH's marching band is different. The way our choreo is done, the way our music is done, and how we handle the whole group.
Very free-spirited. They are very brave. They stand their ground.
I think because our mindset is set towards our goals and our standards, this style really stands out para nga. Like, it's where we can be really authentic. It's very open. It's very explosive for me. Like, we are limitless. Dari kami nahihinder in something nga, oh, we should be like this. We should be very girly. We should be very demure. So, ayun.
It's also a family to me and my safe space. Feel ko super safe ak nga nadakit practice it banda.
Yung tutuloy ko practice kay siyempre adi magnalilipay banda.
Recruit po ka sa anak mga classmate dati, anak mga kuhan. Kay apila makasitara dati ng banda. Kasi ako naman, karat ko lang mag-join. Kay gusto ko mag-try kung anit banda.
Like, iba talaga routines nga it tradition din hit marching band.
Bisan waray punishment, matatapuran kami ngahin maging disiplinado kami. Diri laya usa nga organisasyon or usa nga extracurricular activity para haak, it means much more than that. Nakikita kami diri la as students nga nagpo-perform, magsasayaw, pero nakita naman nila kami nga as individuals nga karig ipakita it amon talent dito hit ibang mga tao.
It's where you can build your character, and it's where you can also build your skills as a musician.
They make their art known and heard para sa iba. Artistic explorers ba? Trendsetter. They don't follow traditional rules. Instead, they make their own rules. They make their own standards.
Actually, di ako gusto to become a drum major. Na di ka sakhat. Gusto ko lang maging captain. Ikaw ba, di ko matakalain nga, makukuha niya anak mauhook into marching band. The first 2 weeks, di akat nakaka-march, di akat nakaka-play an instrument. Nag-inaramakter mo. After rehearsals, practice, dito ako bali nagpa-practice liwat. Gusto ko man na maging better. Na di ka sakit nga, kumbaga okay na to. Gusto ko kasi, kung ano takong bubuhat, I want it to be perfect.
Since bata pa, gusto ko na talaga umapyan banda. So, nag-grade 5 ako. Kinuan ko talaga na-set na umapit.
I decided to join because I was amazed like the way they dance and I like their style. I want to be like them. I was a transferee here. Tapos I was from a different band also. So dito parang, they were very demure and kasi I really wanna dance, I wanna perform, so I always give it my all. So, when I came here and then like, umeda na mga movements na sugahit, I was very happy nga umeda sugahit kasi, dahil nahiya koan, parang it's my gusto na talaga nga klasehin,
Yung whole body talaga, diba?
waray
Temporary.
Oo, waray na. Parang dari ka na na kokoan, na iilang sugahit.
binuli ka kang banda dara kay na-inspired ako kit mga tamis. First time ko nga pagkita kay Ira ang na sugay nga mga execution. Tapos dito ka na-inspire nga bumuli nga lakit banda.
Anakon peers around me, ginkukuhaan nga, ginpupush nga, umapi kami, ganon. And especially namin classmates. Tapos, naging passion ko na ladamaan pag-join dito.
It is my passion talaga.
Kare ko talaga igpatuloy nga bumulighan banda kay since elementary inapin na talaga.
Inapekhan banda. Kay tikang palahan elementary nag-inapinakatan banda. Tapos inapinama kay Yadi Higil. Kay maupay ko mag-perform nga pa diya. Tapos giupay ko na papit nga nagpa-perform may damit nagkukulaw. Tapos isipon ko naman, ang gulo. Tikang inapekhan banda. Damuan mga opportunities nga na-encounter ko. Tapos damuan ako mga na-experience ng mga bagay nga gasikuhan bata pa. Di ko tiya ma-experience na rin hit. Basta drink ko talaga yung promise. Di ko pa ko niya nga nataganakin opportunity nga maka-apin banda.
Kung kasi yan elementary act, inapi kasi damakan band. Tapos so far, very enjoyable maya. Kaya napakidesisyonan ko na lang nga, mapi kay Hirazian, Hirahana. Mga kabatch ko matirahan ang band dati.
Hindi na mapakat ni Zian nga bumuligan banda. Tapos ako naman, gusto ko ma-experience ton like, ano ba feeling maging bulig-bit banda. Sinugat nga, okay, sige, kay total parang magsaselection madam ako.
When I saw the color guards of Compre, I am shocked because kung ano yung mga moves ng mga girls like yung mga majorettes, parang ganun din sa kanila and nagfo-focus sila sa dance moves. So I think that I am capable of joining this band. So when I transfer in Compre, like different talaga. The band is very inclusive because they don't tolerate gender bullying or being bullied in this group. When I joined this band, I felt safe and welcomed because they treat me like a real girl. I know that I want to join. I know that I am capable and I know that I am meant to be on this band.
I joined when I was in 9th grade. I was curious and it was my first time. I didn't know what to expect. All I know is that I have to do my best. I was one of the first seven members that was selected.
Nag-joined up, di rin talaga ka nag-expect na masaselect ka. Gusto ko na talaga at parang makuha na akong talent, na akong love han pagsasaya.
Nakukan madamak nga bumulig para talent ko madamak dit pagtoto karate. So karagot ma-improve pa dara right banda.
And grade 10 ak, transfer rilak di diha Compre and work ko hot friends. Tas kinita ko an posan banda nga open call for majorettes and di ako naman may experience it pagsasayaw. So inapakit banda para magkamaydaan ko yung new friends. Tapos warakat ka select, tas binalik na maak na in love akit tenor kay mas maupay ko huya to karon i-carry ganon. Parang mas like hiara akit tenor.
Sakbi na ulit ang banda kay kare ko naman ma-develop pa skill ng pagtukar. Tapos pag mamarcha si ring hit. Tapos sa pa para na-develop dami utak.
Ay audition for majorettes. Tapos ina-encourage ka ng mga friends nga bumulig. Nakadulan ko tira sab, tira Unix.
I joined the band because of free food.
Inapyak kan banda dahil kan akin cousin.
Inapi ba kan banda kay dahil it banda na mumotivate akit pag-i-eskwela. Kasi asya hatagin motivation na akit pagsasalad kada adlaw.
Inapi kay papos yung sinumata ako nga may libre nga pagkaon.
Inapyakan banda kay asyatak passion daman. Tas ngatanan kami nga pamilya na api da mayroon banda.
Passion ko pag-dance kahin pagkukanin music. Ang nag-introduce sa akin, Ate Shobe, the leader of majorette is my cousin.
Ako, I joined this band when I was in 9th grade. So our audition was pretty fun. The training process was very interesting for me because the movements was new to me. Ever since I was a dancer from a little kid, this concept is really different from my comfort zone or what I usually dance. Parang mas na-showcase ko yung tak authentic self kasi nga the movements were different.
Becoming a drum major was unexpected. Very unexpected, I swear. I know the training for becoming a drum major was very hard. First and foremost, dire act marang sumayaw. Like, I swear, di pa padagi ako. Don't know how to dance, no body coordination at all. On RSPC, my last dance with the drumline, ginintroduce sa akin ni Kuya JV ang music theory. And nakuha na, naupa yan pag inaram. Habang nag-aaram ako ng music theory, ganito tatlong kong blocks. Tapos ang ibang section. Never ako paano maging lead. Paano ako mag-lead ang whole band. Nakakapagtutdo up akong aram. Hit ibang members. Kumbaga, nagiging bridge for them para mahibarohin o sa bagay. That's my favorite part. Dito ko't naisip nga mag-drum major ako. And that was the last parade nga naging captain ako.
At favorite part, pagiging pogi. Pagiging pogi habang nagpaparin, siyempre, dami-damit nagkukulawak. Kasi nga, uy, ito, wapo mga yanin.
Favorite part ko damit nga nag-aaram makit bago nga to bisan masula ha ulo danay.
Kantak favorite part din kuan pag babanda is swipe mga parade kay syempre snack ba lafang.
Tak favorite part is pagiging majorette. Syempre choreography. It's really outside my comfort zone and we commit visual hit group. So we get to do girly things like putting on makeup every time we go on events like parades. And then our very pretty outfits. So
Pinaka-maupay ko po nga mga bado. Nako-compliment talaga niya pag sinayaw di nabisan diin. Giupay po hiya promise. Nak-favorite an sayang.
back left.
Probably an gala uniform. Okay ko kasi.
RFOT outfit, the maroon long sleeve and flare pants.
yung halter top.
Tapos maupay ko naman nga may daan akin mga bagong sangkay sa ring kan Brianna. Diri ko tiya kilala una kasi kuan hiya maiso. Tapos sa nakapi ko na yan banda, maupay man yung nga tao.
Favorite part ko is when we perform kay kuan. For me, kuan kasi introvert talaga ako, especially before joining. So, during performance, syempre na-out ko sa sarili and mas na kuan ako nga come out of my comfort zone, ganon. Tapos, yeah, I feel confident pag kahit nagpa-perform kit, nagpa-parade.
Dito kami nagpa-punish. We just have 3 rules nga dapat talaga sundon. Actually, ang foundation.
Asya po kasi amon like pinaka-core values, dili marching band.
Communication, trust, respect.
Communication, trust, and respect.
Communication, trust, respect.
Yeah, since day 1, pinaalam na yun sa amin and that we must follow that.
Para po kasi amon, like, matuot kami, nga di na talaga kailangan yung punishment para madisiplinado tao.
I think with trust, diba, with respect, and with communications, there's no need for punishments anymore naman, diba? And na-follow na lang yun sa discipline ng bawat isa.
Trust your members. Communicate. And of course, respect them. The way you want them to respect you, respect them. Importante bumali lang nga to kam kunain niyo gusto.